Welcome back to Electronic Labs. Today in this video I just want to share that I have one telephone and in office, and my telephone there is no lines, no signal error because of the power is failed. Because the power is failed because of red bite my cable, and of course that power will fail. So even though we are using the rechargeable battery in this phone, once the power from adapter is disconnected and there is no more signal, that will be connect from router to this telephone line, so we can't use at all. So what we can do is we're lucky to have to solder. And one thing that's important is we must make sure that which cable is positive and which cable is negative. In case the red bite cut it off both wire, so in my case it is just bite for only one side, and so that I don't have to confuse for which one is positive and which one is negative, I just connect back one side. So that's very important. We have to make sure which cable is positive and which cable is negative, otherwise we can blow up our charger. So I'm lucky to have back. Sometimes we can't purchase only a charger because this is a 5V and the ampere is very less, 0.3 something, that the ampere is very small. So in the market it's very hard to find this adapter. So I just solder it back, and let me make sure and check back either it's have the output or not. So yes, I have here 5.5V, that is good. So yeah, this is connected, the power is already in here, but the power is not charging yet because a Panasonic telephone is very good. They have a sensor inside. Even though the power is already plugged in, you need to wait at least 8 hours. You don't remove this telephone from the charging port here. You just place like this at least 8 hours and it will charge. So make sure that you don't use a non-rechargeable. This is for only one time use. This is not rechargeable, it's heavy duty, but you must not use in telephone because the telephone must be used to rechargeable battery. And then we already make sure that everything's work. Then we apply the heat shrink, then make sure we seal all the cable nicely. Then in future we have to be very careful that the red won't bite anymore, because if the red will bite again, then we lose the cable and even we can lose the charger. So as I mentioned, the charger is hard to find, so we have to be protect our cable as well in a safe place. Yeah, the important is don't place on the red place, right? Yeah, thank you guys.